In which district of Uttarakhand the Nanda Devi National Park is situated? A. Uttarkashi. B. Tehri. C. Chamoli. D. Champavat. The correct answer is A. Uttarkashi. Nanda Devi National Park is a national park in the Garhwal Himalayas of Uttarakhand, India. It is the largest national park in India and is home to a variety of wildlife, including snow leopards, Himalayan tahr, and musk deer. The park is also home to the Nanda Devi Peak, which is the second highest peak in India. The park was established in 1982 and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a popular tourist destination and offers a variety of activities, including trekking, mountaineering, and camping. The other options are incorrect because B. Tehri is a district in Uttarakhand, India. It is located in the Garhwal Himalayas and is home to the Tehri Dam, which is the largest dam in India. C. Chamoli is a district in Uttarakhand, India. It is located in the Garhwal Himalayas and is home to the Kedarnath Temple, which is one of the most important Hindu temples in India. D. Champavat is a district in Uttarakhand, India. It is located in the Kumaon Himalayas and is home to the Jim Corbett National Park, which is the oldest national park in India. Which country has opened first intercontinental undersea railway? A. France. B. Turkey. C. Russia. D. UK. The correct answer is D. The United Kingdom. The Channel Tunnel, also known as the Eurotunnel, is a 50.5 kilometer, 31.4 miles, undersea rail tunnel connecting England and France beneath the English Channel. The tunnel is the longest underwater tunnel in the world, as well as the longest undersea tunnel to connect two land masses. It was opened on December 9, 1994 and is operated by Eurotunnel, a private company. The tunnel carries passenger and freight trains between London and Paris, and between London and Brussels. Option A, France, is incorrect because the Channel Tunnel does not connect France to any other country. Option B, Turkey, is incorrect because there is no intercontinental undersea railway in Turkey. Option C, Russia, is incorrect because there is no intercontinental undersea railway in Russia. Which of the following is the oldest and deepest lake of the world? A. Lake Baikal. B. Lake Huron. C. Victoria Lake. D. Lake Winnipeg. The correct answer is A. Lake Baikal. Lake Baikal is the oldest and deepest lake in the world. It is located in Siberia, Russia. It is 636 kilometers, 395 miles, long and 80 kilometers, 50 miles, wide. The average depth of Lake Baikal is 744.4 meters, 2,442 feet, and the maximum depth is 1,642 meters, 5,387 feet. Lake Baikal is home to over 1,700 species of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else in the world. Lake Huron is the second largest lake in North America, after Lake Superior. It is located between the provinces of Ontario and Michigan in Canada and the United States. Lake Huron is 596 kilometers, 370 miles, long and 220 kilometers, 137 miles, wide. The average depth of Lake Huron is 62 meters, 203 feet, and the maximum depth is 230 meters, 754 feet. Lake Huron is home to over 1,000 species of plants and animals. Lake Victoria is the largest lake in Africa. It is located between Tanzania, Kenya, and Uganda. Lake Victoria is 69,485 square kilometers, 26,828 square miles, in area. The average depth of Lake Victoria is 40 meters, 131 feet, and the maximum depth is 84 meters, 276 feet. Lake Victoria is home to over 500 species of fish, including the Nile perch, which is the largest freshwater fish in the world. Lake Winnipeg is the largest lake in Manitoba, Canada. It is located in the central part of the province. Lake Winnipeg is 416 kilometers, 258 miles, long and 190 kilometers, 118 miles, wide. The average depth of Lake Winnipeg is 12 meters, 39 feet, and the maximum depth is 61 meters, 200 feet. Lake Winnipeg is home to over 100 species of fish. Which state of India has the largest percentage of its area under forest cover? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Meghalaya. C. Mizoram. D. Nagaland. The correct answer is A. Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh has the largest percentage of its area under forest cover, with 77.9% of its land area covered by forests. This is followed by Mizoram, 75.3%, Nagaland, 74.4%, and Meghalaya, 71.4%. The high forest cover in these states is due to a number of factors, including their mountainous terrain, which makes it difficult to cultivate land, and their low population density. The forests in these states are also home to a variety of plant and animal species, many of which are found nowhere else in the world. The forest cover in these states plays an important role in the environment, providing a habitat for wildlife, regulating the climate, and preventing soil erosion. It also plays an important role in the economy of these states, providing employment for many people and supporting a number of industries, such as tourism and agriculture. However, the forests in these states are facing a number of threats, including deforestation, mining, and development. These threats are having a negative impact on the environment and the economy of these states. It is important to protect the forests in these states in order to ensure the long-term sustainability of the environment and the economy. The country which has the finest system of protected lands in the world is A. China, B. Costa Rica, C. India, D. Switzerland. The correct answer is B. Costa Rica. Costa Rica has the highest percentage of land protected in the world, at over 25%. The country has a long history of environmental protection, and its protected areas include a wide variety of ecosystems, from rainforests to volcanoes. Costa Rica is also a leader in sustainable tourism, and its protected areas are a major draw for visitors. Option A. China has a large number of protected areas, but they cover a relatively small percentage of the country's land area. Option C. India also has a large number of protected areas, but they are not as well managed as those in Costa Rica. Option D. Switzerland has a relatively small number of protected areas, but they are well managed and cover a significant percentage of the country's land area. One Belt One Road, OBOR, is being constructed by which country? A. India, B. Pakistan, C. Bangladesh, D. China. The correct answer is D. China is constructing the One Belt One Road, OBOR, initiative. OBOR is a development strategy launched by Chinese President Xi Jinping in 2013. It aims to connect Asia with Europe and Africa through a network of land and sea trade routes. The initiative is also known as the Belt and Road Initiative, BRI. India, A, is not constructing OBOR. Pakistan, B, is a part of OBOR, but it is not the country that is constructing it. Bangladesh, C, is not a part of OBOR. OBOR is a massive undertaking that will cost an estimated $1 trillion. It is expected to have a significant impact on the global economy. The initiative has been praised by some for its potential to boost trade and investment. However, it has also been criticized by others for its potential to increase China's influence in the region. The concept neo-determinism in geography was advanced by A. Miss Semple, B. G. Taylor, C. Ratsell, D. Huntington. The correct answer is A. Miss Semple. Miss Semple was an American geographer who is considered one of the founders of the environmental determinism school of thought. She argued that the physical environment has a strong influence on human culture and development. Her work was influential in the early 20th century, but it has since been criticized for its simplistic view of the relationship between humans and the environment. G. Taylor was a British geographer who is considered one of the founders of the possibilism school of thought. He argued that the physical environment does not determine human behavior, but rather sets the limits within which humans can act. His work was influential in the mid-20th century, and it is still widely cited today. Ratsell was a German geographer who is considered one of the founders of the organic theory of geography. He argued that the state is a living organism that is constantly evolving and adapting to its environment. His work was influential in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, but it has since been criticized for its deterministic view of the state. Huntington was an American geographer who is considered one of the founders of the climatic determinism school of thought. He argued that climate is the most important factor in shaping human culture and development. His work was influential in the early 20th century, but it has since been criticized for its simplistic view of the relationship between humans and the environment. Which of the following countries is not located in the continent of Africa? A. Gabon, B. Guyana, C. Guinea, D. Guinea-Bissau. The correct answer is B. Guyana. Guyana is a country in South America, while the other three countries are in Africa. Gabon is a country located on the west coast of Central Africa. It is bordered by Cameroon to the north, Equatorial Guinea to the east, the Republic of the Congo to the south, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Gabon has a population of over 2 million people and a land area of over 267,667 square kilometers. The capital of Gabon is Libreville. Guinea is a country located in West Africa. It is bordered by Guinea-Bissau to the northwest, Senegal to the north, Mali to the northeast, Niger to the east, Burkina Faso to the southeast, Ivory Coast to the south, and Liberia and Sierra Leone to the southwest. Guinea has a population of over 13 million people and a land area of over 245,860 square kilometers. The capital of Guinea is Conakry. Guinea-Bissau is a country located in West Africa. It is bordered by Senegal to the north, Guinea to the east and south, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Guinea-Bissau has a population of over 1.9 million people and a land area of over 36,125 square kilometers. The capital of Guinea-Bissau is Bissau. Guyana is a country located in South America. It is bordered by Venezuela to the west, Brazil to the south and east, and Suriname to the north. Guyana has a population of over 780,000 people and a land area of over 214,970 square kilometers. The capital of Guyana is Georgetown. Nanda Devi National Park was declared World Heritage Site by UNESCO in the year _______. A 1986. B 1988. C 1990. D 1992. The correct answer is A. Nanda Devi National Park was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1986. It is located in the Garhwal Himalayas in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. The park is home to a variety of plant and animal life, including the endangered snow leopard. It is also a popular destination for trekking and mountaineering. Option B is incorrect because Nanda Devi National Park was not declared a World Heritage Site in 1988. Option C is incorrect because Nanda Devi National Park was not declared a World Heritage Site in 1990. Option D is incorrect because Nanda Devi National Park was not declared a World Heritage Site in 1992. At which place in Uttarakhand did the Indian Meteorological Department install a Doppler Weather Radar? A. Dehradun. B. Chakreta. C. Mutteshwar. D. Chamoli. The correct answer is C. Mutteshwar. A Doppler weather radar is a type of radar that uses the Doppler effect to measure the radial velocity of targets. It is used to detect precipitation, wind, and other atmospheric phenomena. The Indian Meteorological Department, IMD, has installed a Doppler weather radar at Mutteshwar in Uttarakhand. The radar is used to monitor weather conditions in the region and to issue warnings of severe weather events. The other options are incorrect. Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand. Chakreta is a town in the Dehradun district. Chamoli is a district in the Garhwal region of Uttarakhand.